What's going on, guys? Kent here. Today we are playing Mobile Legends Bang Bang as Alucard. As you notice, I started in the selection, in the hero selection because we are playing in Brawl mode. Yes, Brawl mode. Yep, I'm gonna load. It might take for a while to finish this. To finish this game because yep, like that. Mm. Huh. Damn, I'm the only one who's in. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Yes. Now we are starting. I forgot to buy my items. Damn it. Forgot my items. There we go. Here's the clash. I got so excited. That's why I forgot to buy my items. Oh. Hit him. There we go. Flash away. Another kill. Nice. Got the items. Hey, what the hell is happening here? There we go. We're reading. The reason why I am in Brawl mode because there's a Jigsaw event. I want to get a skin. When you there's ulti here, ulti here, ulti here. Damn! I was stunned forever. Let's do this again. Oh, get in. Get in. Dang. Why does Alucard? Oh, there's birds flying. Retreat, man. Oh, nope. Oh, they know. What are these bots? Haha. Dang. What's happening? What's happening? Wow. That's the real clash. Now the score is tied. Oh no. I'm lagging. I don't know why. I'm lagging. Run away. Yo. Let's do this. No. Oh, sorry about that. If you can hear it. Let's do this. Oh. No. Nice. Get. Oh no. You're close. Close. Now let's go. Retreat, Natalia. Retreat. Oh, you cannot reach in unless you kill one. Hehe. This is mine. Nice. Nice. Yes. Yes. We're still in this. What the hell? Oh, nice. We're doing great. But still I'm lagging. Oh no. Nope. Oh yes. Boom. Ho ho. Like I got the high skills in the game. Even though the enemy team. Dang. This Karina is a beast. Now let's go and kill some. Double kills everywhere. Hey. Let's do this. Unnecessary. Oh no. Oh, come on. That's so bad. Let me check the shop. Nope. I want to replace some items and make it a fallen sword because fallen sword is safe. Okay. KS. That's a beast's move. Got a triple. We got a triple kill. Oh, lucky. Why so lucky? No, retreat. For the Jigsaw puzzle. For the Jigsaw puzzle. I'm fighting for the Jigsaw.
Why do humans cry?
And I think once you complete this present Jigsaw. Oh. Okay, back. Let's jump right. Oh. Oh no. Just push. Push the tower. And hey, we're winning. 8 minutes in the game. Let's do this. Push the tower. Nice. Let's end. 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 Hope I get that jigsaw puzzle. Oh, I'm coming. Boom. Wow, 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 no. Oh, dang. Saber, run. Run, Saber.
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy.
Come over here, Dora.
Double kill. Launch attack.
And let's end this.
Launch attack.
Oh, no.
Launch attack.
Change my mind to
Launch
end.
attack.
Face me.
Launch attack.
Mm-hmm.
Kill.
Everything will come to an
Pretty
end.
sure we will get the MVP. Oh, dodge that. Why? Why flash then? Go, go, go. That alpha.
Initiate retreat.
Make alpha. Oh, do his ulti before diving. Cause, oh. There we go. That's the damage. And we did.
Double kill. Initiate double kill.
Double kills everywhere. Then the tower.
Initiate retreat.
No, that.
Request backup.
No. This.
Our turret is under attack.
Come on, Hayabusa.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
The pinks everywhere.
Turret has been destroyed.
Hayabusa. Dang. Nah. Soon as I respawn.
Enemy
This.
killing spree.
Nice.
Why do humans cry?
Let's end this.
Triple
Oh. Quadra kill.
quadra kill.
Pentakill, man. Do the pentakill.
Launch attack.
Everything will
You have slain an enemy.
Let's end. Let's do this. Nice. That's it, guys.
Victory.
That's an awesome game. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe and see you all in the next video.